Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. Girl, I am feeling myself with this wash and go, this new cut and color. Woo! So if y'all want to see how I got this wash and go, keep on watching. It was super easy and fast. I forgot how easy and convenient wash and goes are. And also, I honestly want to do a wash and go because I wanted to make sure my curls was popping back after putting all this color in my hair. It did, as you can see. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. This is just plain water, plain H2O. I like this spray bottle, so I just filled plain water in here. Next product is Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. Twist and curl pudding. And it smells so good. Last product I'll be using is African Pride Moisture Miracle with aloe and coconut water, the curling defining gel. Hey y'all, so I just had a puff in my hair. Didn't like it. I just washed my hair like 2 days earlier, so it's still clean. Just separating my hair so we could go ahead and jump into this wash and go. Say hey to Nino, y'all. I'm not doing anything special applying the products to my hair. Just spray the water, add the cream, and add the gel on top of that. Raking it with my fingers, and I might go through with a small tooth comb just to make sure all my hair is coated with the products evenly. That's it. No shingling, no extra steps. Just actually raking it with my fingers and combing it through with a comb. That I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. It's my love. And I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. Boy, you fill me with so much joy. You give whatever it is I need. My love's here to stay, won't never leave. So glad that you fell in love with me. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. I've been searching for you every day. So glad that I found you, boy. I've been feeling for you every day. I'm so happy, baby. Boy, you got me feeling so good. You take all my pain away from me. Without you around, I couldn't be. And I know you fell in love with me. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. My love is so good that I was so excited to see my curl pattern pop back. As you can see, my red hair and my natural hair is the same texture, so no color damage right now at this moment, so I'm so happy. I had my blow dryer on high hot heat, and I just tried to not stay on one area too much. I usually let my wash and goes dry naturally, but this was late at night and I had to go to work in the morning, so I didn't have time for me to let it dry naturally. But this is a good alternative if you don't want to go to sleep with wet hair. Just lightly blow dry for about 15 minutes. Couldn't see me without you, baby. I've been searching. This is my hair about 75% dry. I'm going to let it dry naturally because I don't want to disturb my curl pattern too much with the blow dryer. I'll be back more than likely tomorrow to show you how my hair look. Why is like a little Rick James wig? Hey y'all, it's the next day. My hair is completely dry. So this is how I wear my hair to sleep at night. I just put a bonnet over top of my scarf. I have my hair pineapple up. When I take my hair down, I'll grab some oil. Right now I have some coconut oil.
Not a whole lot, just a little bit to coat my hands. And I'll just give my hair a good shake. Oh, she cute. Pull. Grab a pick and just pick at my root. Let me give you a 360 look.
I've been searching for you every day. So glad that I found you.
Since I blow dried my hair last night, I noticed that I had a lot more frizz in certain areas that would be more of a defined curl, but it's fine because with more frizz, the bigger the style is. And this is my hair, y'all. I am so freaking happy. This is the shape I was trying to achieve. This is how I get my beautiful wash and go. It's only been one day, it's second day hair, so throughout the days it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. Girl, yeah, this is gonna be my style for the summer. A nice old wash and go. Okay. Oh, she is cute. So I kept my length and I just cut my bang area and the top area. So it could be nice layers. What y'all think about my color and my cut, or I should say me shaping my hair? Oh, I feel so cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below. Have you cut your own hair before or shaped it? Are you brave enough to do that? Because I know some people, when they're like, oh, I like your hair. Who cut your hair? And I'm like, oh, I do it myself. Girl, I would have no hair if I try to do something like that. But it's just hair and it will grow back. So it wasn't a big old deal to me. If I cut it and I didn't like the cut, oh, it would have been protective hairstyles all summer long. All summer 2022, okay? But I'm glad I did a good job. And alright, y'all. Nino. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I'm gonna come closer so y'all can see my hair. Oh girl, she is cute. Yes. Whew.